Hello, my name is Danny, and today I will be unpacking the New South Wales 2024 K-6 HSIE Syllabus and discussing how students learn the content, including links to numeracy and literacy skills and pedagogical strategies. The key learning area for the human societies and its environment is about the complex interconnections between people, place, culture, citizenship, environments, and the past, and how that impacts us in the present. The study of Aboriginal cultures and histories is woven throughout the syllabus to highlight the rights and responsibilities of what it means to be Australian and to live on Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander land. More broadly, students learn to think critically and creatively, navigate a dynamic world, value the earth, and make informed decisions. In the history content area, students are developing schemas which allow them to understand and value themselves and others, and they are learning how the past shapes the present. This is done by exploring objects, sites, and evidence, recounting past events through stories, images, myths, and legends, and examining information and events. Through all of this, there is an emphasis on the Australian context. In the geography content area, students develop an understanding of people and places and the complex connections and relationships that exist in these realms. They also learn to respect and value environments. This is done through an exploration of sustainable practices and by learning to use maps, globes, images, and data to create meaning. Students are also learning to identify different environments, and again, there is an emphasis on the Australian context. The HSIE syllabus is designed in a strategic way so that the content increases in complexity through the stages and is continuously built on prior knowledge. The way that students engage in the content becomes increasingly sophisticated, as we can see by the language that is used in the content points. Students in early stage 1 are identifying, whereas by stage 3 they are creating and examining. The HSIE syllabus connects to and complements the English and Maths syllabuses, as students must carry out their learning about human societies and its environments by using relevant literacy and numeracy skills. For literacy, students read and interpret sources of information, use Tier 2 and 3 words such as migration, colonisation, artefact, and erosion, participate in discussions relating to the content, and interpret and decode multimodal texts. For numeracy integration, students engage in the HSIE content by interpreting maps, taking measurements, making estimations and calculations, analysing data and graphs, and identifying patterns. There are many research-backed strategies for teaching the HSIE syllabus, but for the purpose of this discussion, 4 that I will primarily use to engage students in the HSIE content are zone of proximal development, activating prior knowledge, gradual release of responsibility, and demonstrating respect and sensitivity towards First Nation cultures and history, which can be done in many ways, one being collaborating with local cultural knowledge holders when planning and implementing lessons. Thank you.